the podcast for the Treasure Coast. With breaking news.
The latest tech. With scripture and devotionals added in at times.
The only podcast on the Treasure Coast, that brings you breaking news, along with anything tech, with edited reading or commenting on scripture, and a devotional at times. Welcome to Treasure Coast's real-time podcast.
And this is James Powell here at the Real-Time Treasure Coast podcast. And I am actually coming to you just a little bit different for a different reason today. Here in Martin County, the Martin County, as you see the title of it, in fact, let me just make sure here, it's pulled up and you can see the title. Let me just verify here. It should be all there. So just take a look at the title, and there are links there to make sure that you can click on those and you are able to, sorry about this guys, I'm having a little difficulty. You're able to click the links. So actually what I'm going to do, I am asking you to contact the commissioners, and I want to just do a shout out to Dan Bongino, man. I love it. He is really pushing it. We also have Anthony Sabatini that is already suing the Martin County commissioners. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to their specific pages, their commissioner pages. Of course, in the description is the Facebook, the links to their Facebook pages. Contact them. Say, you're done. Let them know it's over. And the bad thing about it, I know it's pretty sad. Harold Jenkins has no one opposing him, so we got to wait 4 years to vote him out. But we will not forget. We will not forget. So it's time to clean house. I hear of different ones starting to run, and of course Dan Bongino said that as long as there are some stipulations, but he will support you. So I'm going to go ahead and let me transition to the page, and I'm going directly to their commissioner page. Pulling it up. The links are there for their Facebook page. This mask mandate, it's unconstitutional. They did not listen to their constituents. They did not listen to, they kept going through and voting until they got all the votes how they wanted to. How many meetings did they have on it? And they kept pushing it off. This is, you work for us. And it is time we stand up. The mask mandate is unconstitutional. So stand up for your rights. Okay, let's transition. Okay, here are in the order of the pages. Doug Smith. I'm asking you to go email him, bombard his email, bombard his Facebook page, call, bombard him. Let him know that he's done. He's done. Doug Smith, you're done. In the next voting that you are up for election, you're done. Sorry. I thought you were conservative. I thought we had a conservative county. But evidently not. We're not conservative anymore. We listen to the bogus reports of the government. They've been proven wrong time and time again. And even so, you didn't even listen to your constituents. That's what really upsets me. Okay, vote him out. Doug Smith. Email him. Call. Bombard their email. Vice Chair Stacey Hetherington. Vote her out. Vote her out. Bombard her email. Bombard her email. If you look, Doug is up for election, but I'm not sure if anyone is running against him. But remember, 4 years, vote him out. In 2 years, bombard this phone. Bombard the email address. Contact them on their Facebook. Tell them they're done. They are done. Stacey Hetherington, you're done. This one is the one that really, really, really upsets me, and this is my representative. You're done, Jenkins. Hit his email, bombard him, call, bombard him, hit their Facebook page, let them know they're done. We are not taking it anymore. You work for us. Listen to your constituents. Sarah Hurd, she's corrupt all the way through. They're done. They sold us out, as Dan Bongino. All of them sold us out. Bombard her email address. Call. Bombard them. Let her know she's done. Ed Campy, you're done. Bombard his email address. Call. Hit his Facebook page. Tell him you're done. You are done. It is time we take Martin County back. They're corrupt. They sold us out. And the mandate's unconstitutional. Not doing it. They are done. So, thank you for watching. Share this. Share. And follow us on our Facebook page, Real Time News. Thank you for listening. And we hope you have a great day. And let's take our county, our state, and country back. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next video.